Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a PayPal account. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the official PayPal website. Once there, locate and click on the Sign Up button, usually found in the top right corner. You will then be prompted to choose between a personal account, ideal for individual use, or a business account, designed for merchants and organizations. Select the option that best suits your needs to proceed with the registration process. Next, you'll need to provide some essential personal details. Start by entering your mobile phone number, which PayPal uses for security verification. Then, input your full name, a valid email address, and create a strong, unique password to protect your account. Before moving forward, carefully review and agree to PayPal's user agreement and privacy policy. This ensures you understand the terms of service and how your information will be handled. With your personal information entered, the next crucial step is to link a payment method. You can choose to connect either a bank account or a debit or credit card to your new PayPal account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process for your chosen method. This often involves PayPal making one or two small deposits to your bank account, which you then confirm, or entering an authorization code from your card statement. Finally, to activate your account fully, you must confirm your email address. PayPal will send a confirmation link to the email you provided. Simply click on it. Once confirmed, your PayPal account is ready to use. You can now explore its many features, such as securely sending and receiving money or making online purchases with ease. Enjoy the convenience and security of your new digital wallet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.